Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete undeletable files in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. It's important to let everything finish loading before you proceed, as this ensures all system processes are running properly and you won't run into any issues during the deletion process. Once your PC is ready and fully loaded, navigate to your Windows Start menu and click on it. This is typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once the Start menu opens, type in CMD into the search bar. This will bring up the Command Prompt application, which is a powerful tool that gives you direct access to your system's command line interface. Under the Command Prompt Launch option, you'll see an option that says Run as Admin. Go ahead and click on it. Running Command Prompt as an administrator is crucial here because it grants you elevated privileges, allowing you to delete files that are normally protected or locked by the system. A Microsoft Command Prompt window will appear on your screen with a black background and white text. Now here's where the actual deletion process begins. In the Command Prompt window, start by typing in DEL, which stands for delete. This is the command that will remove your file. Next, right-click on the undeletable file that you want to remove. A context menu will appear with several options. What you need to do is copy the file location directory. Highlight the file path and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This captures the exact location of the file on your system. Then go back to your Command Prompt window and paste this file location right after the DEL command you just typed. You can paste it by right-clicking in the Command Prompt window or by pressing Ctrl+V. After pasting the location, you'll also need to copy the exact file name, including its extension. Go back to your file, copy the complete file name, and paste it next to the file location you just entered in the command prompt. Finally, simply press Enter to run this command. The command prompt will now execute the deletion using your administrator privileges, bypassing any restrictions that were preventing you from deleting the file normally. The file should be removed from your system immediately, and that's it. You've successfully deleted an undeletable file using command prompt with administrator privileges. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.